Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today in this episode of CBD 101. My name is Erin and I am the head of training and education for Nature's Ultra. Today I want to talk about how to stay calm through using Young Living products, including the Nature's Ultra line. First, I want to give you a little bit of background about my life, and then I will talk about how I incorporate Young Living and Nature's Ultra into my daily routine. I am a mom of 2 children. My son is 19 months and my stepdaughter is almost 5. My partner is a first responder, and I, of course, work for Young Living. My life is full, with work, kids, taking care of the household, and making sure I am taking care of myself. I am ever grateful and thankful to work for Young Living. They have set us up for success, and they always put people before profit. And life is still crazy and busy, even with the pandemic and not being able to go to the many places we would normally visit. This new way of life has brought many new challenges, and generally I am a planner, but this was not something I ever anticipated. So how have I changed my routine, and what do I do to stay calm? Let me give you some tips and a glimpse into my daily routine. At the beginning of my day, I drink a large glass of water with peppermint vitality. I do intermittent fasting throughout the day, so I drink water constantly. I am in meetings during the lunch period, so if I do not have time to heat up leftovers, I love to grab a sleek shake and either wolfberries or the chocolescence. Mint is my oil, so I also use the Cool Mint CBD oil. The bright and refreshing aroma is perfect when I am going into a meeting. I am also a huge fan of the sleek bars, and I usually do not get to finish them as my son runs away with them and munches away. Through the afternoon, I like to switch to lemon vitality in my water. It is super refreshing, and the days are getting hot here. I also start diffusing in the afternoon, either lemon, peppermint, wintergreen, or sage. Depends on the mood of the house and what is needed. And of course, I am using CBD. I love to use the cinnamon as it has a warming aroma that makes me feel comforted. The citrus is great for when I need a little happiness boost, maybe when my kids are fighting or just super ornery. In the evening, I use the muscle rub and calm roll-on. I put the muscle rub on my upper back, shoulders, and neck. This is where I carry my tension, and having this product with its cooling and warming properties is the loveliest thing before I hit the pillow. I love peppermint, and this product also contains camphor, helichrysum, clove, lemon, tea tree, and wintergreen. I also put on the Calm Roll-On. I put this on my wrist and chest, and I always make sure to inhale the aromas of lavender, ylang-ylang, vetiver, frankincense, and eucalyptus. I diffuse cedarwood and lavender and add a few drops of pine, dorado azul, juniper, or cypress, and usually a drop or 2 of peppermint. Told you that I love mint. I hope this helps you to see how you can incorporate Nature's Ultra CBD and Young Living products into your daily routine, especially to add some calm to your life. Thank you for joining me in this episode of CBD 101. Please like and subscribe, and we always love to hear and appreciate your comments. See you all next time.